Hey everyone, really quick video. I just want to show you guys what happens when you don't stake your castle nut. This shit loosens up and then this pin falls out and you have a rifle that doesn't work. Okay, so I have like dozens of AR-15s, and for the most part, as far as I thought they were all staked. Apparently I missed one. I think the reason why maybe I didn't stake this one is because I was messing around with the buffer tubes at some point, and I wasn't sure if I was going to keep this or put something different on this lower. I had forgotten that I hadn't staked it, and I went to pick up the rifle. I wasn't even going to shoot it. I just wanted to get the magnifier off of it, and it pretty much like just fell apart in my arms. And so yeah, that's what happens when you do not stake the castle nut. Now, a lot of times people will say that you can put some Loctite in there instead of staking it. Yeah, I mean, I think staking it is the best option. So yeah, I just I never thought it would happen to me. But because for the most part, I thought all my rifles were staked, the ones I was using regularly, but it looks like I missed one here. Anyway, I'll get this one fixed. Hey, good news! I was able to recover the spring that pushes on that detent. It was basically sitting in my safe. So this thing like fell apart in my safe. Like I went to pull it out, and then it just like collapsed on me. It went to hell in a handbasket. But I do have all the parts, and I should be able to easily get this back together. And I'm going to immediately stake this thing. Hey everyone, I just noticed that I was wrong. I did actually have a stake in it. I had one stake. You can see it right there. It's been tightened up now, and I put it in a vise, and I tightened this thing up. So I did have a stake in it. So I guess the lesson is have two stakes. So yeah, so even with a stake, it can come loose. I mean, over the winter, I did do a lot of shooting with this gun. So yeah, that stake broke loose. But anyway, at least now you know what happens when that stake does come loose. And basically the gun falls apart on you, and because the retaining pin in the back falls out.